Camping and mountain biking? Wow, it doesn't get much better than this. Don't forget your coffee.
Okay.
Cup.
If you got any left, I'll take it.
Yeah, I don't know. It's Carol's.
Carol might have down.
Another mountain bike ride, successful, no crashes. That's always a good thing. Woo! Nice.
So I made it under that tree,
Yeah.
but I kept pedaling without looking, and I pedal struck. And it was like I was going, and then all of a sudden it came to those switchbacks. It was like, shit, I don't know my balance.
Have I ever told you how much I love this stuff? Oh yeah, I know I have. So sorry, but I gotta tell you, I love this stuff. Such an awesome ride, Lake Lopez. Mountain biking. You gotta get out there if you love mountain biking and give it a try. It is awesome. What happened? Oh yeah, wait for it. There's paddle boarding also. I'm at Lake Kachuma. Little paddle boarding right now. In this little cove. Gosh, it's gonna be 100 degrees, but next to the water, it's not too bad. And just look what I'm seeing. Beautiful. Ducks making noise to each other. Maybe they're asking each other, hey, have you caught any fish yet? I don't know. But hey, I am enjoying my time out here. No wind right now, but on the way back, when I get into the big open ocean, lake, I'm sure it'll be a little windy. My gosh, it's cool. Love it. Get out there and do something. Anything. Bike ride, fish, kayak, bird watch. We're out here camping. And yeah, it's really hot at the campsite. So this is a joy. The wind's pushing me, turning me around right now. I have Dawn and Dean somewhere, but maybe they decided not to come this far. They're on a double kayak. So I'm gonna keep on going, see what I can find. Hey, if you like this channel, you like to see what I'm doing, or what other people are doing, hey, you know what? It's free. It doesn't cost you a nickel to like and subscribe. Hey, if you got a channel, I'll like and subscribe to you too. Not making money off of this thing. I just like to share my experiences with people and encourage them to get out and see God's beauty. Wow. So glad I got out here. Carol, do you see the hole? Huh? So we are at a place called Paradise Cove. Pirates Cove. Paradise Cove. It looks like paradise to me. And there's a tunnel way over there, a little hole. I guess you can ride your bike through, walk through. Pretty cool. Never been here before. Gosh, I'd like to jump off that little dock out there by that boat.